Hey girl. So I'm making this video just for you to show you how to give yourself shots. Okay, so I've got all my stuff laid out. She's going to pack these little alcohol preps for you, and she's going to have your shots all made up, okay? This is my Tirzepatide shot. I've got 10, and you're just going to have 2.5 to start off with, which is going to be about right up there, just a little tiny bit. I've also got 2 Band-Aids ready to go. I just started doing this, and that's because I think it might help alleviate injection site pain and like swelling, because I want to put pressure on the injection site and keep it protected, like from clothes rubbing against it. I think that irritates it, and I finally got wise and decided to try that. Also, cotton ball. I would take a cotton ball, not the whole thing because it's so fat, but tear it in two and use half on each injection site. Okay, so this is how you do it. I'm gonna angle the camera down now. Find a nice, make sure your hands are clean. Yeah, I'm missing nails, don't judge me. I haven't redone them yet. So find a nice juicy spot. You can see I've got a bruise from my last injection site. And you will have that sometimes, and it's probably just because I don't, know how to do it perfectly, or maybe because I didn't apply pressure. I don't know. Sometimes I bruise, sometimes I don't. Usually I bruise, at least on one of them. Got a little bruise right here too. But anyway, I don't want to go in the same exact spot that I did last time. You want to pick a good fatty spot. I'm going to go a little low. Okay. I like doing my belly because that's where I got all my fat. I've already got an alcohol prep open. All right. Oh, you also, before you start pinching, you want to get the cap off of your needle, your syringe, and go straight up with it, because I have accidentally bent the little tiny needle, and that was not easy to deal with. David did it too. He just straightened his back up and gave himself a shot with it. I tried to do that. I messed it up. I ended up, don't try this at home, but I ended up just reusing one of David's. I just, wiped it off with alcohol and stuff. So I've already got whatever he's going to give me anyway. But I was careful about bacteria. So you just cleanse the spot. You want to go perpendicular, like a 90-degree angle into your belly. Okay, so just make sure it's straight and line it up, and then you want to go just like straight in, little tiny, try to relax and see it's in. Then you can let go of your pinched area and just plunge it in, and plunge it in slowly. Some people claim they like to leave the shots out of the refrigerator for a few minutes to get to room temperature because it's more comfortable for them. I can't tell what temperature it's at either way. It doesn't bother me, so I don't know why. It just affects different people different ways. Just slowly inject, and then I like to pull the skin taut when I pull this out. Then just gonna put the little cotton, where was that? I lost my little spot. Where was my spot? There it is. I see the oh, you know what too? Do a little triple antibiotic. I mean, it can't hurt. Forgot about that. Some antibiotic ointment, and I actually saw where the little I had a little of the liquid coming out, so I think that's about the right spot. And put my little Band-Aid on it. And let's see if that helps with injection site. If you want a smoother one, maybe get a bigger Band-Aid. And then you can remove the cotton. I don't know if the cotton's necessary. It ain't gonna hurt. So, all right, now I am going to choose a different site, of course, for this. I usually go one on either side. And you're supposed to choose different injection sites to avoid damaging tissues. Like, that's why they say go from the arm fat to stomach fat and like thigh fat, but I really don't have a lot of fat on my other areas. So, I mean, this is where it's easiest for me. So I just keep doing my belly over and over. So, okay, let's get it ready, get the cap off, straight up, same little tiny needle, and use my fresh alcohol prep. And you're not going to be doing the Bio Boost your first week. Remember, she said started on the second week. But, okay, I'm going to find a nice juicy spot right here. And when I first started doing this, I used to have injection site issues with the Bio Boost. Again, this is vitamins and proteins to help with your energy level, and it like works alongside the Tirzepatide to help it work effectively. All right, same exact method. Try to relax, don't tense up, and get it in that gushy fat, and it goes in so easily. You don't need to stab it. David's probably gonna stab it when he does you. I wouldn't. I don't know. I'd rather give myself shots, but you do you. And try to keep the needle from moving when you're pumping it, because that causes a little discomfort. It's not bad though. I mean, it's really not that bad. Okay, almost there. Just plunging carefully. Now, when I first started doing this, I would have a problem with like swelling, not my tissues being inflamed, but for now where was that spot? Right there. Not like the tissues being inflamed, but the liquid just like being right under the skin. I don't know if it's because I had more fat then, so it didn't go in as deep as maybe it should have or whatever. But I feel like I don't have problems with it anymore. I used to get more like injection site irritation with the Tirzepatide. I mean, with the Bio Boost and the Tirzepatide. Tirzepatide, I never had like any irritation until like recently, last couple times, and it's probably from like my clothes rubbing against it or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep it bandaged this time. And see if that helps a little bit. Now, I'll probably take those cotton balls off after it's applied pressure a little bit. Oh, you also, sometimes the Bio Boost, it kind of feels a little uncomfortable after you do it. And David said just kind of press on it and help it like go where it's got to go. and it's just temporary. So you don't have to do the Bio Boost, of course, but look, it's working for me. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. So make sure you cover these before you throw them away, just to avoid contaminating yourself if you are accidentally puncturing yourself. But it's really, really easy, and you will get used to it. And no, I don't always feel like giving myself shots, but man, I feel like losing weight. So good luck. Much love. Bye, girly.